Kapatisi TV.
Din baka Amerika kalayo bansayo Presiden jangka Venezuela u Nicolas Maduro bat kalok jongu Casilia Flores nakayingsa jongki na nongba Caracas. Mentapat u Presiden jangka United States of America u Donald Trump ula Byrngem saya ke Colombia, ke Cuba, ke Greenland, ke Mexico bat ke Iran. U Trump uloong ba u Presiden jangka Colombia u Gustavo Petro udai usnar kahidrok. Uloong baya ka Colombia bat ka Venezuela la senchar de kibriu ki bashina bat penmi yo drok kokin bat ki wandi pat shakin nong Amerika. U Trump ula maham ting yo Presiden ka Colombia da ka baong ba on shan slem. U Trump ula itu luparu ba ka sorkar ka senchar ya ka Cuba kan sakhlem. Uloong ba baro sikata ka yo ka kot jong ka Cuba kawan na ka Venezuela hanrei menta kan yo shu bat shen kan sakhlem. Ula Byrngem ru ya ka Greenland da ka baong ba ka bu jingma ya ka jingsingan jong ka US. Uloong ba ya ka Greenland lakir tawer da ki jhat jong ka Russia, China bat ka Denmark ru kanom la ban le AA. Ya ka Venezuela ula maham ting da ka baong ba ki nong yalam bathamai ki deban perkhat bah namar tang subakla kanja kumju kumbaja yo Nicolas Maduro. Ya ka Iran pat ula Byrngem ba kam deban peniap ya ki pajba ki bayaki bad lada kisdang ka Amerika kan haban le ya ka badon kam. Ya ka Mexico uloong ba lada kam sange no ya ki kam khai drok sha Amerika. Ka Amerika kan hable AA hanrei ya ka bamenta utorwa buon pha de sipai Amerika bakin yaram ya ki sipai jong ka Mexico ban khanglan ya ki kam khai drok.
But it's true. I've been right about everything. And I'm telling you that if you don't get away from the green energy scam, your country is going to fail. And if you don't stop people that you've never seen before, that you have nothing in common with, your country is going to fail. I'm the President of the United States, but I worry about Europe. I love Europe. I love the people of Europe. And I hate to see it being devastated by energy and immigration. This double-tailed monster destroys everything in its wake, and they cannot let that happen any longer. You're doing it because you want to be nice. You want to be politically correct, and you're destroying your heritage.